What's going on, Lake Pro Tackle fam? If you're watching this video, you're probably going to be trying to get on the Grow Design Works drop for the 255s and the 150. Now, first off, one of the main reasons we love carrying the Grow Design flags is that they are very, very easy to work. Of course, it is such a really, really good company. Good people run this. It's family owned, operated, all the production, all the paint, everything. They keep it in-house there, which is super awesome. The flag 255 itself is an amazing bait. Of course, you can just reel it straight in. You can kind of slow glide it. There's so many different ways to fish the flags, whether it's the 150, the 155, the 255. You know, the G flag is a little bit taller, of course, more of your bluegill pattern, but they don't always come out with like a threadfin color or like a shad color. Typically, it's going to be more of your bluegills and stuff like that. So seeing this in a threadfin color is super amazing. Of course, the 255s and 155s come in a wide range of colors. I've seen anything from like a white and chartreuse to like a carp color to rainbow trout, of course, kokanee. I've got one of those. I've got like a frosted purple, which is really dope. But these guys here, we've got two colors going to be going up on the website on the 14th and on the 16th. Now, the way we're doing this, I'll get to the specifics a little bit later, but the colors themselves, if you haven't watched our last video, we've got a Bass number 218, and then we've got the Threadfin 2 number 219. Now, these two colors also are going to be very exclusive, not to our shop, but we got such a small quantity. There's literally 10 threadfin, 10 bass, and then a total of 40 G flags. So Grow Design, thank you so much for keeping us in the loop, keeping us in your thoughts on, of course, getting these to us, as well as all throughout the processes of the imports and everything like that. So thank you very much for allowing us to carry your products here. We absolutely love these, fishing these, and our customers love them as well when we got them in the past. Now, let's explain kind of the rules behind the drop here, as well as kind of how everything's going to work. First off, I have to say 1 255 and 1 150 per household. So that means you can't order two of these, or you can't order a bass and a threadfin. It's going to be limited to one. So my suggestion is pick a day, try to add them both to your cart, or at least check out the bass first, check out the threadfin afterwards. Of course, the 255s are probably going to be the ones that go out the fastest, of course, the least quantity, as well as probably the most sought after. So strategy wise, I highly recommend staying on the page. Go to the 255 page, start refreshing at like 9:59, and we're going to be manually loading in the inventory. It's going to say sold out, and then 10 o'clock it'll pop back in there. So even though it says sold out, you probably didn't miss it. If it's after like 10 o'clock and it's like 10:05, you probably missed it. So from that standpoint, just be on the ball, be ready to go, add it to your cart, check out very quickly. So that's how it's going to work. So 1 255, 150 per person or per household, and all orders are going to ship out on Wednesday. So we're going to keep track of the orders, keep track of the households. Make sure you don't get two of these. If we do see a quantity of two, we're automatically deleting your order. So if you get two 150s in your cart and you check out, we're going to delete that order. And if you put two of these in your cart, we're going to delete your order. If you put one of each of these, we're going to delete your order. No exceptions. That is how it is going to go. So if anything does happen once we process the orders on the 14th, if someone does happen to put two out of stock, just keep refreshing. I'll post a story on the Instagram or Facebook. If someone did two, of course, they take it out of inventory, so you can't see those. But as soon as we kind of get through, process everything, we're going to kind of backload that stock in there. So I'll post on the Instagram and Facebook, so stay tuned with that. If you are waiting to get a 255 or 150 of that day. So the 14th is when we're going to drop the bass and 20 of the 150 G flags. And then on the 16th, we're going to be doing the 255 in Threadfin as well as the other half of the the 150 in Threadfin 2. So that's how it's going to work. Of course, thank you again to Grow Design Works for keeping us in your thoughts on these drops. Very, very cool, guys. I am very blessed to be able to show these off to you and very excited for y'all to get them in your hands. That's how it's going to run. Of course, for updates and information, please check out the Instagram and Facebook. And currently, we've got 20% off fishing line. That means braid, monofluorocarbon, bulk spools, Seagar, Sunline, anything like that. Make sure to check it all out, lakeprotackle.com. And of course, we got in a bunch of cool other products as well. They keep coming in day to day, so I highly encourage you to check out the social media. But thank you so much, y'all. Grow Design Works going up very soon, Monday and Wednesday. And I hope everyone has a great weekend. Thank you so much for watching. Please share this around if you're able. Comment down below which one you're most excited about. Let me know, guys. Thank you so much. We'll see you next time at Lake Pro Tackle. See you guys.